Hi everyone, first of all I want to wish everyone a happy holidays. I hope you're surrounded by loved ones and doing things you like. For me, it's building. For you, whatever you like to do, just hope you have fun. Now, regarding building things, I haven't been active for a while now, and I have a good excuse for that. I literally had a flood in my apartment, which meant that I had to remove the kitchen, remove the floor, have it fixed, put new floor in, put a new kitchen and everything that belongs with it, and that took a good 2 months. And yes, I wasn't able to build much in those 2 months, but funny thing, this little model is the result of that, let's say, accident. So what happened is the workers who were painting and doing the ceramics, one of them was really interested in my models, and he asked me if I could build a simple remote control model for his daughter. Something blue and small and easy to use. So this is what I built. It's a tracked vehicle and it's powered by power functions, so no smart device required. And I built it as simple and as robust as possible. So it is very small. It uses 2 power functions L motors for driving, 1 power functions battery box, and 1 power function receiver in the back. You can easily turn it on by moving the switch here, and it's a simple bang bang controller. So it's simple to control. Left side is left track, right side is right track, and basically you just combine inputs to make it drive in any direction. Now, because this is supposed to be easy to use, I designed it so you can just pull out the body, and now you have really easy access to the battery box, and you can just, open the battery box and replace the batteries. It's designed to be as simple to use as possible, and of course another important thing is that it has to be robust. So the whole chassis is based on flip-flop beams, and these are interconnected to the L motors, so the L motors are also structural support, so they're holding the model together, so you cannot pull the tracks apart. And with 400 something parts, I am really happy how it turned out. It's small, it can fit in a backpack, yet it's robust and fun and easy to use. So yes, this is let's say probably my last model for the current year. But don't worry, I will be uploading more stuff now that the kitchen and everything is fixed, and I have more time to build stuff. And so yes, please stay tuned. And again, I wish you all the best for the holidays and take care. See you in 2026. Bye bye.